ocean does not perform for us. It does not wait to be watched. Long before cameras existed, life was already moving here. And long after they are gone, it will continue. We like to believe that observation gives meaning, that something matters more once it is recorded. But the ocean has never needed witnesses. Every migration, every birth, every silent death happens whether anyone is looking or not. This is not a story about discovery. It is a record of presence. A camera placed here, not to interrupt, not to judge, only to remain still and observe. What you are about to see is not rare because it is unusual. It is rare because most of it is never seen. And yet, it happens every day.
Get that hook up now! Faster! Keep the pressure on them. Don't let them board. We have contact on the starboard side.
A smaller group than in earlier years, these 5 ride the bow wave, their joy unchanged, unaware this is their final voyage.
This shows what cameras miss. The vast majority of ocean life exists where we can't see.
The mother demonstrates the precise spiral technique. Though the calf's first attempt is clumsy, this
symbiotic relationship, where the ray is cleaned and the wrasse find a meal, has thrived in these waters for millions of years.
Trusting the vast ocean to hold it, the albatross finds peace during its migration, a life lived between air and water.
Often misunderstood, this magnificent creature is crucial for maintaining balance in the marine ecosystem.
This milky zircoif plankton bloom.
Where there was once open water, modern shipping lanes are now crowded, a testament to our growing global presence.
This represents invisible pollution from shipping and industry.
Pilot whale pods are unique. They are led entirely by females, forming tight-knit matriarchal societies where the young are raised communally.
In a dazzling display of acrobatic cooperation, the sea lions hunt together, demonstrating the intelligence and social bonds vital to their survival.
This symbiotic bond, where the shark provides transport and the remora offers cleaning,
The master of disguise, this octopus shifts from red to brown to brilliant white in mere seconds.
A stunning display of synchronized movement. Hundreds of hammerheads gather here for their annual migration and mating.
The camera stops, but nothing else does. Tides continue to rise and fall. Life continues to learn, to adapt, to disappear, to return. The ocean does not remember us. It only remembers movement. Witnesses come and go. The water remains. And somewhere in the dark, something is still alive.